Yes.
So B2B, Mohammed has said sold to you. So Mohammed is a supplier here, and you are the customer. But you are still a business, but you sell to customers. So as soon as you buy from Mohammed, what does Mohammed do? In Mohammed's account, we're going to have the sales account. So we have the date, details, and the amount. Date, details, and the amount. Now, Mohammed sold to you. So in Mohammed's account, because Mohammed is the supplier, let's say Mohammed sold to you on 8th of August now. Let's say from 8th of August, okay, let's say 8th of August. Let's say 8th of August, okay?
Yes.
23. It's sold to Abdullah. So here we're going to have Abdul. The amount, let's say 351. So at the end of August, that's let's say 31st of August, 23. You have to pay now. So if you are paying, you're going to issue a check, which is saying that you should, certain customer has to pay. For example, okay, we have a check here. Where's the check? 351, yes. And here we have the counterfoil. So as soon as you are paying Mohammed, you have to issue this check. Mohammed receives this check. If Mohammed receives this check, this becomes your own record in your purchases account. You record it under your credit side that you have paid this amount. But now we're focusing on Mohammed, which is the sales account. As soon as you issue the check to Mohammed, Mohammed receives the check. The details for that will be what? Bank. For the amount 351, balanced. Now, as soon as Mohammed takes this check, it's believed that you have paid the account you are owing. But as soon as he receives this check, he takes it to the bank. When it gets to the bank, let's assume that the bank dishonored the check. So the check was dishonored.
Yes.
So if the check was dishonored, there's what we call DAR. It will be written on this check like DAR. DAR. It will be written on the check from the bank to you to give to the owner of the business, the owner of the check. Meanwhile, the bank will not tell you as a customer what happens to the check. The bank will not tell you. The bank will only write this, and you give to your customer, to the issuer, that's the drawer of the check. So as soon as Mohammed receives it, this is not a check. It means your payment is not done. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so in Mohammed's account, he has to record it again, 81 this 23, as dishonored check. Though the transaction is balanced, yeah?
Yes.
But now that there's a dishonored check, so Mohammed will have it as dishonored check for the amount 351, which means the account is not paid yet. So in Mohammed's account, it's going to have the same details, 31,823, as balance carried down for the same amount. So this means that this amount was not paid. So this is how you treat